morning, Buttons. Oh, you look so adorable. And good morning, Daisy. I hope you're okay. Have you had a swim today yet? Let me see you. Oh, you look so cute. Okay, I better... Oh, wait. I better feed you guys. Okay, let me see. We got some pork chop for Buttons. That should probably do Buttons. And some wheat for Daisy. That should do Daisy. Okay, there you go, Buttons. There's your food. And Daisy, oh, you're hungry. Look at you. Oh, you're so hungry. Okay, here you go. Have some wheat. You full already? Okay, you're full already. Awesome. Okay, well, let's go check on little Carly and see how she is today. And I wonder what we're going to get up to. Oh, let me see. Little Carly. Oh, little Carly, are you here? Let me see. Let me ring this doorbell. Little Carly? No, little Carly's not here. I must have missed her. Oh, gosh. Oh, wait. Hey, Brian. Oh, Brian needs some food. She must be hungry. Okay. Let me go get some more food from my room and bring it across. Okay, let me see. And then maybe we can go down and get ourselves some breakfast. I wonder if Mom and Dad are around. Haven't seen them in a while. Okay, so that should be enough for our little girl, Brian. Oh, she's so cute. Ooh, I wonder where those puppies are, actually. We never really went looking for them. I know that sounds bad. Maybe little Carly's out looking for them now. That's probably what she's doing. Okay, here you go, Brian. There's some food for you. Good girl. Okay, I guess let's go downstairs and see if Mom and Dad are around, see what's up today. Oh, gosh, it's such a lovely day. I wonder what we're going to do. Maybe we could go surfing or something like that. Let me check. Oh, hey, Dad. What's up? What's going on today?
Little Kelly, haven't you heard? Your cousin Millie's in hospital having the baby, and she'll be bringing the baby back here so we can help with it.
What? Millie is having her baby today? Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. And she's bringing the baby here? Oh, okay, we're going to have to try get a nursery together. I mean, where can we put it? I suppose we could put it in the library, or I don't know, maybe in one of the empty bedrooms upstairs, but then it might be really hard for her to carry the baby up and down. Oh my gosh, is she having a boy or a girl? Do we know? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
I think it's a girl, and I think she'll be naming the baby Ellie. Little Ellie.
Little Ellie, that's the name of my goddaughter. Oh my gosh, I have never been so excited ever. I'm going to have my own little goddaughter. I'm going to spoil her and give her presents, and she's going to be super cute. And her name is Little Ellie, so Little Kelly and Little Ellie. Oh my god, Little Ellie and Little Kelly. Little Ellie and Little Kelly. Okay, Dad, I'm going to go to the mall, and I'm going to buy all the stuff that we need for a nursery. So you guys stay here, and I'll come back, and I'll set it up all myself. I'm thinking maybe we do it in the library. We could corner off, just a bit of an area, I guess. Or, no, you know what? We can extend the library. We can make it bigger, and then that way it will fit. Okay, so, Dad, you could get working on getting the extension built. I have to run to the mall, and I'll pick up everything that we need. Okay, see you in a while. Okay, back in the mall again, and I don't have much time. Millie is going to be coming home with baby Ellie soon, and I need to get the palace ready. Okay, so let me see. We're going to need... Okay, what does usually people get when they bring home babies? They get presents and stuff. Okay, maybe Millie will want some ice cream. Okay, let me see. Let's get her some strawberry milkshake. That'll do. Millie loves strawberry milkshake. Okay, you can put this on the Magical Kingdom tab. Thank you very much. Okay, so I'll put that in the kitchen when I get home. So Millie must be... Oh gosh, I can't fit out that way. Millie must be exhausted from having baby Ellie, so she'll be super, super tired. So she'll just want some ice cream and to chill out. Okay, party supplies. We're definitely gonna need some balloons. Okay, let's get 6 balloons. That should be enough. Magical Kingdom tab. Thank you. Okay, and let's go in. Let me see if we need anything in here. The stationery shop. We could decorate. Let's see. Okay, let's take one of these, and then we can put it in the nursery, because then maybe the baby will turn out to be an artist. I'm just going to take one of your easels. Can you put it on the Magical Kingdom tab? Thank you very much. There's a new baby coming to the kingdom. Okay, so we have that done. Let's see. Let's go up a floor. Okay, what are we going to need? Let me see. Okay, blocks. Yeah, we're definitely going to need some blocks. We're going to need... So it's a baby girl, so we're going to need pink blocks. Okay, let's take some of the magenta blocks. That should be enough. And let's take more of this. And maybe some purple as well. We're going to need some white. Yeah, perfect. We got some white. So that's going to be really pretty. We can make the room all pink and stuff. Are we going to need anything else? Maybe... Oh, yeah, some fences and gates. Okay, we're only going to need probably one gate. 8 just for the play area. And let's take 64 fences. Okay. So I think that will be enough of that. Let me think. What's in here? Some glass. I guess we don't really need that. Can you put this on the Magical Kingdom tab? Thanks. I have to build a nursery. Okay, so we have that done. Let's see. Where else can we go? Oh, the baby store. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna need to get a crib. So we got this stuff for the baby shower, but I think we sent it back. So let's get some pink baby slippers. Pink baby grow, very adorable. We're gonna need some teddies. Okay, there's a chick, a squirrel, and a bunny rabbit, and a bear. Amazing. Okay, so that's good. And then, so we have baby grow, we've got all that. Hello, miss. I've taken some of your supplies, a baby grow, baby slippers, a cradle, just a chick, a squirrel, a stuffed bunny, and a stuffed teddy. So I'll be using all of them. Oh, wait. And these slippers are totally adorable. Let's take these. Okay, and some more baby slippers too. So if you could put that on the Magical Kingdom tab, I would very much appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so we've got some blocks to decorate the room. We've got some balloons. We've got some ice cream. A cake. We should get a cake from them coming home, and some cookies. Okay, let's get some cookies. Let's get a strawberry cake. How many is that? Oh, we only need one. Okay, let's put them back then. There we go. Anything else that we need? No, I think that's okay. Maybe we'll just get one more cake. Hello, miss. Oh, you look very Christmassy. I'll just be taking a couple of your cakes. How many did I take? 2 and 16 cookies. So if you could put that on my tab, thank you very much. Okay, so is that everything then? Let's just go up another floor and double check. Okay, what's over here? Oh, IKEA. Oh, we might need to get some stuff from IKEA. Let's check it out first. Okay, let's see. No, we won't need a bed yet. She's only a baby, so she only need a cradle. I think we're okay for stuff from IKEA, to be honest. Okay, let's go across the way and just double check everything. Let me see. Okay, we can't get a pet for the baby yet. The baby's too small. We don't need to go and get armor stuff. The chemist looks like it's had a sale because there's not much in it. What else have we got over here? Oh, there are just more animals. Okay, let's go down a floor and see. Okay, well, this is the block store. So where haven't we gone? Oh, we didn't go over here. There's a music store. So maybe we could get like a piano, and that way the baby could be musical as well as artistic. So we've got the easel. So let's just take this one right here. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's no one working here. Oh, I'll just bring up the manager and tell them that we took that. Okay, the grocery store. Whoa, looks like there was a sale on. Let's get some cotton candy for Millie, though. I know she loves cotton candy, so let's put that back. Awesome. I just took some cotton candy. Can you put it on my bill? Thank you. Okay, we're in such a big rush now. Have we got everything? Okay, where's the stairs down? I just want to make sure that we really have everything. Excuse me, sorry. Okay. Oh, flowers. Okay, we should definitely get Millie some flowers. So there's some red flowers for Millie. Okay. Also, no one working here. We're gonna have to call it up. Okay. So the flowers. That's fine. We don't need. Or maybe we could get a little. Would be cute. Let me see. Okay, let's get a little rails and a little cart. Let's see, we're gonna take more. Let's just take all of them. Is there a cart around? Let me see, any carts around here? Cart with chest, cart with furnace, normal cart. Okay, so we got a cart here, and we got some furnace, so we can do that as well. Okay, and let me see. Okay, let's go down another floor. I think that is everything. Okay, great. So we've got all the supplies. Now all we have to do is go home and decorate. Okay, thanks, Dad. Okay, so Dad was just saying that he built this really cool extension. Check this out. It's got a lot of glass. Ooh, it's snowing. And has a pink glass at the back, and that we can do whatever we want to the rest of it. So it's only a little small nursery, but I think we can do it up well. He said he put some extra stuff in my chest as well. We put some tables and stuff like that. Okay, so first off, I think I want to get rid of the floor. So I want to have it all patternedy with whites and pinks, I think, to make it really girly for baby Ellie. So let's get all of this stuff up, and we can store it away in the chest. So here we go. we're gonna pick all of this up. I love doing some DIY at home. It's so much fun. Okay, and there. And across here, we're collecting all this up. Gosh, it's a lot of oak wood planks. A lot of wooden floor here, but we're gonna make it super girly with the rest of it. So let's just get some of this there and there and there. Okay. And here. We're nearly finished, and then we get to do the fun part. Okay. So it's really cool how the extension has been built out to kind of overlook the pond out the back of the house. So I'm guessing whose room is above this that looks out on? I'm not too sure. Is it mine? I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm thinking this wool and this pink one. So we're gonna go white there, white there, white there, there and there. In the middle. Oh gosh, there, there. So we're gonna have this floor so cool and so patterned. It's gonna be awesome. And there, there. Ah! Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah, I made a mistake. Okay, it's okay though. We got this, we got this. Okay, so there, and then in the corner, and here, and there, and straight ahead. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty when it's done. I cannot wait. So there, and there, and there, and there. Ooh, Ellie is gonna be so happy with this, and Millie too. Okay, so that's the white part done. So let's just fill in the pink. There we go. Oh, this is gonna be so awesome. Okay, there. So easy to do this as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, there, 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 and there, and there, and there, and voila! We've got the floor. So instantly, it already looks really, really girly. So I was thinking that we could do a kind of like an entrance into it. Maybe like something. Okay, maybe we'll do white and let's see. White and magenta. Ooh, give me that back, please. Okay, so we're gonna go magenta, magenta, magenta. There. And there, and there, and there. So there we have it. A little entrance into the nursery. So adorable. Okay, what else have we got? Okay, we've got some balloons. That's only for, well, I suppose we could keep the balloons if we wanted to. So let's see there. And the chest is in the way. Let's see. Okay, let's just do it into the library as well. So there maybe. So there's some balloons there and some balloons there. And now we need to put down, let me see, the cradle. That's a very important part. Okay, so the cradle, where should I put it? It would look good there. Maybe like something like that. That looks cute. Okay, and what else have we got here? So we have the grand piano. So where should we put that? Okay, maybe in this corner. So there's some music for the baby. Where is it? Oh, the easel. So there we have an artistic baby. So let's put all the educational stuff over here. And then some teddies around the cradle, I guess. So let's put a little chickadee there. Oh gosh, Millie is going to be so happy that she has somewhere to stay after she's had the baby. It's going to be awesome. Okay, and let's put the little bunny rabbit there. What else do we have? What else do we have? Okay, oh, we have our little rail and our little minecart. Okay, so maybe we can make a little play area that goes like here. Let's see, something like this, like that, and back around in. Because then baby Ellie would love this. Okay, and there. Cool. Check that out. That's gonna be awesome. So when we put the minecart down and get into it, the baby can have fun on their own little train track. It's gonna be so cool. Okay, and what else will we see? Oh, we are gonna get a flower. Let's maybe put that over. Oh, let's see if we can get a table. Yeah, Dad put some tables in here, so that's good. Okay, let's put that. Okay, so maybe we could get a table here, and we can put the flower on that. So let's see, there's the pot. Let's pop the flower in. There we go. Cute. Okay. And what else we got? We got some cake. Put the cake down. So it's for Millie. Yummy. That looks awesome. Okay, and we've got the milkshakes that we need to go put in the kitchen. We got some candy floss. Maybe we can put some shelves in. Let me see. Oh gosh. Okay, I dropped them. Got them. Okay, so shelf there, shelf there. Let's put the rest of the stuff on here. So we've got some cookies, cake, and milkshake. Oh, and cotton candy. So let's see. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's put that there. And let's see. We'll put the strawberry milkshakes there. We'll put the cotton candy there. Some cookies there. A teddy there. So that looks good. And then maybe we can put the extra balloons there. The other cake there. So there's lots of stuff there. So let me see. We'll just have to fence this area off because we don't want the baby getting out. Okay, so there, and there. Oh, there and there. So the baby can get out only when it's the minecart. Let me see. So we're gonna have to put a little gate here. Okay, and gate. Perfect. And that one's gonna go there. So you can come in and out this way, or you can do the minecart around. That's so cute. I think that's a really cute nursery. I think Millie will be able to expand it, and maybe being a little Carly can do a little bit more decorating. But I think it looks pretty awesome for now. So now all I have to do is wait until the baby comes. But I'm pretty tired from building this. So maybe I'll go take a nap and then they'll be back from the hospital. So I'm gonna go take a snooze.
Hey, little Callie, wake up.
Oh, Millie, you're here. Oh my gosh, you had the baby. Are you okay?
Oh, you're awake. There's someone downstairs I want you to meet.
Oh my gosh, it's the baby. It's the baby. I'm so excited. Sorry, Daisy, if out of my way. Oh my gosh, I'm going to meet my goddaughter. Her name is Ellie. It's kind of like Kelly. I love her. I haven't even met her yet. Okay, let me see. Baby Ellie. Little Ellie, where are you? I'm guessing you're going to be in your nursery. Okay. Where is she? Where is she? Oh my gosh. She's adorable. Oh, my little goddaughter. Oh, look at her. Oh my gosh, she's amazing.
Little Callie, meet your goddaughter, little Ellie. I think you guys will be great friends.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode where I got to meet my new baby goddaughter, Baby Ellie. Everyone go leave the comment in the comment section saying, hello, Baby Ellie, and go comment on the whole little club. Go comment on little Donny, Donald, Skip Steve, Sharky, the Mind Benders, Tiny Turtle, and Little Lizard, telling them I've got a new goddaughter and her name is Baby Ellie, or Little Ellie, whatever you guys prefer. I think Little Ellie's cuter. But guys, if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to leave a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Instagram and Twitter. The links will all be down below, along with all the channels for the little club. So if you want to go leave comments on theirs, the links will be there too. But until next time, you guys, see you again soon.